side door. And what was hilarious is right as he figured out what I was going to do, I had turned the water on, and I just missed him. I just missed him. And then...
Exit dive! No!
In 6 months. It was a spiritual peace, yes.
Hi! There's a big white van here and you just cut off.
Off of us. And so when somebody calls my show...
There. What Dave is saying on top of that is like, hey, when you build wealth, you're building wealth not just for you, but you'll be able to leave that to your kids. And they'll be able to maybe invest that, leave that to their...
Hey, hi there. What's up?
Things are all about, but I definitely don't want to hit any button labeled jettison.
Exit dive. I saw that coming from a mile away. Exit dive. Oh, what the... Nope. Red light run up there. Red light run. Any day now, and that was a straight from right turn lane. Oh, dive for the exit. Just went right through the stop sign. Went right through the stop sign. 2 for 2. Exit regret. Slow down, move over. That's the law. It says it on the sign there.
Raise some awareness about some human trafficking, but first, let's talk about a bill in Kentucky regarding interactions with a police officer. Let's.
This is on the Kentucky House floor right now being argued.
Yes. And how's the wording on this here? It's up to 3 months imprisonment for a person who accosts, insults, taunts, or challenges a law enforcement officer with offensive
really
or
wait
derisive
till now to move
words,
over.
Or
it's still red. Just wait a few seconds.
A little bit about this particular article. Matter of fact, I'm going to read from it a little bit. This is from CBS News.
You got a red arrow.
So earlier this month, Governor Brad Little
in Las Vegas.
Okay.
So
okay.
he doesn't see him all that often.
So here's what I want you to do. I want you.
I'll do that. Just a dive.
I want to be yo soy burrito eating son of a bitch.
Nope.
All right. Cheers, Mr. Burrito. Love the podcast. It is for you to read out loud.
I don't know, son of a bitch.
See, you have empathy. I like you. All right. Basically,
nope.
My girlfriend might.
So hold on. Let's before you go into specifics about the prophecy. Let's go into the legitimacy of
Stay
the
in
prophecy.
lane. That's what the sign says. Would you sit down and ride your motorcycle properly? Thank you. Nope. You can't make that U-turn.
Okay, it's a deal. But I'm not promising to run out and get laid. Sure, he said. Just whenever the next time it comes up naturally, you know? Yeah. All right. Excellent. He picked up the condom box and cleaning device and handed them to me. Call me if you have any questions. I took that.
Exit dive.
So, yeah, not fruitful. This will have to wait. Maybe I'll
Exit
remember my
dive.
name soon. Or
Nice
find
cutoff.
it written somewhere. I climbed back.
Other people go to relationships and any number of other addictions, etc., to try to fill that hole that I'm busted. The adults in my life have told me that clearly, and I need to try to fix that through filling.
That was a nice cutoff.
Does that make sense?
Negative K, nothing further, just getting candy in a corner.
Really? Uh-oh. I think someone's about to get pulled over. Yep. It's been a while since I got a instant justice clip. No trucks in the left lane in the rain today. Okay, the Thomas's truck moved over to the right. Maybe the guy will move over. Yes, okay.
I'm about to give up. The numbers both dropped by 1 again. I start the timer. This time I'm ready for how long the wait will
Exit
be.
dive. Exit dive. Never hint at what you really feel, Penske drivers.
Is there a consistent direction to travel? He asked. Something that could be explained by an external force. Magnetic, maybe?
Why are you not turning? Maybe you are turning... Oh, you're going straight. From a right turn lane. From the right lane.
Religious language primed people to
You didn't stop,
express,
gold truck.
sexism. Or that when mine was that age.
Yeah.
Well, so here's how we're redeeming that. Today I had a conference, like I said, with my kids'
That's
school.
cheap.
And I got
It's
off
a
that
cheap
conference.
thing. Hi. How you doing? Didn't you see me coming?
Their purpose is not to do the investing for you. It's to teach you enough that you can start to make...
It's double line through here, dude. Hey, why are you staying on that side of the road through a blind curve?
Had some spraying to do.
What are the cups?
I used duct tape to cover all identifying marks on my EVA gear. Serial
Nope.
numbers, license number, the big patch.
But I think the God or the Holy Spirit.
I think you ran that stop sign.
Hey, Tommy, why don't you go fuck yourself? That's what you just said. That's exactly what you need to do with a fucking woman like
What
that.
are
Go
you
fuck yourself.
doing?
I'll go with my friends anyway. So she can just sit at home and be surprised when my...
For Major League Baseball, because it's the city of Houston, and
No trailers in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there if this is Connecticut. No trailers in the left lane. No, no, no. If you are in Connecticut, you cannot do that. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next week with a whole new video. Yay! Okay, bye.